Man, this week was crazy. Damn, like man, I started the week Monday. I traded on Tuesday. I didn't put any trade on Tuesday because I could not find the setup. Wednesday is considered like no trading day for me. On Thursday, I took a trade. Friday, and all of them were losses. Damn, like man, but it's just part of the game. Discipline is what helped me this week. I took all the losses, sticking to my rules. I know I had some hiccups, most of them because most times in this market it's so unpredictable. Like on Friday, I was risking $54, but the market stopped me out at $65. Like that is crazy. This market is something like the odds are just stacked against us to lose. The number one thing that is going to help us traders is discipline. Guys, you just have to watch. I tried this week, sha.
Guys, this is the first trade of the week, and I just took a sell on GBP USD. This is it. I took the sell, and my TP is somewhere around here. I think GBP USD is in a downtrend, reading it from the higher time frame. But let's see how this setup is gonna be. At the end of the day, you can't tell the outcome of a setup from the start till it's done. Let's see how this is gonna be. The 5-minute time frame is looking good. This candle closed the while light, and I got my entry there. Let's see how this trade is gonna play. I don't know how this is gonna trade me for today, but man, let's see. This is the first trade of the week. Let's see. My stop loss is quite decent, and I like this entry. I like the trade, but there's no guarantee it's going to play out. And on this trade, I'm risking around $66 on this trade. This is the first trade of the week. I'm going a little bit aggressive. I'm risking $66. My moderate risk is $50, but I'm risking $66 on this trade. I'm targeting around $160 something. So let's see how this trade is going to be. So guys, this trade just hit stop loss. This is what just happened. I was up over 50 to 60 pips in profit. Then when the 1 hour candle opened, I saw this rapid push to the upside. I was like, what is causing this push? Because it was so rapid. Then I jumped over to the 1 hour time frame, and I noticed I was stuck in between a range. Between this point to this point, I was stuck in between this range, and I could not analyze or see this price action initially when I took this trade. So I decided to adjust my stop loss. My stop loss was meant to be here, but I adjusted my stop loss to here. And when my stop loss is here, I was supposed to lose $65. But when I adjusted my stop loss, I ended up losing $48 for the day. And I feel like it's a good trade because I properly managed the trade, and everything went well as planned. Risk management, everything is organized. So guys, tell me if I took the wrong decision on this trade, because as you can see, price didn't really tap my stop loss, and it can still push to the downside. But it's normal. At the end of the day, I've taken what I got to take for today. So tell me if I took the wrong decision in the comment section, and I'm going to catch the market tomorrow. Today is just Monday, 1-0 for the week, and I just lost small, $48. Tomorrow I can come and make $150, and I'll be up for the week, like massive. That's how the game is: risk to reward and risk management. I'll catch the market tomorrow.
So guys, today is Tuesday, and I didn't end up taking any trade. The time right now is 3:06. That is 6 minutes after trade, and I think it's 30 minutes after New York Open. I didn't end up taking any trade today. If you look at the 30 minutes time frame, I missed the setup. This setup was making sense. It had like two confluences. I like to see on the chart before executing trade, but I didn't take this setup because of just a little reason. One, it was because when I came to the 4-hour time frame, I noticed the market was touching this point, which is looking like a double top on 4-hour time frame, and also looking like the market is going to go like in that range phase or that range condition. I was just looking at the market from this other perspective, and I was like, man, it's like this market wants to range from this point, so this zone might not hold. But what did the market do? The market ended up holding at this point and pushed to the upside. So I missed a clean move, like a clean move. Should I call it? I missed profit today. But at the end of the day, that's that for that day. Then yesterday, the trade I took yesterday, this is it. Just look at what happened yesterday. The market stopped me out. Remember yesterday I closed my stop loss here at $48. Meanwhile, my initial risk was $66. But look at what just happened yesterday. The market just kicked me out, boom, and went straight to TP and kept on dropping throughout the whole day. Even during Asian section, it kept on dropping. But that's that. about the market. Most days you see something like this, but it's up to you as the trader to still maintain that discipline, to follow those plans written by you, not someone else. Because you can choose to break the plan and no one is going to beat your ass and going to tell like, man, why are you breaking your rule? No one is there to keep you accountable. You're going to keep yourself accountable all the time. So I'm done for today. I don't trade on Wednesday and I'm going to catch the market on Thursday. For today, I'm done. Still 1-0 for the week. Let's see how it's going to end. So guys, it's a Thursday morning and I just took this trade on GBP USD. I think the news is in the next 52 minutes. So I need to monitor this trade between this period. Let's see how it's going to be. The same GBP USD I took on Monday. See, on Monday I took this trade, hit my stop loss, then boom, went straight to profit. But I closed initially here before it hit my stop loss. But we still bearish. So I took this sell again on GBP USD. This is it. Let's see how it's going to be. My stop loss is quite decent today. My stop loss is around 15 pips. Somewhere around here. Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see. The only hindrance for this trade is the news coming up, but it's possible for the trade to hit TP before the news, because the market most times can be volatile. You can do anything at the end of the day. So let's see how this trade is going to be. Guys, if you are liking this series, please don't hesitate to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. I created this channel to document my trading journey.
So guys, the news came and it was not that too high impact, let me put it that way, because the news just caused just this small push, boom, to the downside. But initially I had already exited all my positions around here and I lost around $33 today. My stop loss was meant to be here, but price was kind of consolidating here and I saw some invalidation for this setup, because the main reason for taking this setup was this. I saw this trend line channel on 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, had 4 hour confluence, like a lot of time frame were kind of in sync with this setup. But when I saw price breaking out of here, I was like, man, I don't think this setup is going to work out. So I exited the trade. I exited the trade somewhere around 119 and the news happened around 130. So I was out before the news. Man, I think now the market is bullish, but that's otherwise. Overall for this week, I'm down 2 trades. It's not 2, because first trade I lost $48, this one $30-something, that is like $70-something. And this both trade I'm supposed to lose $100. So overall I've saved like $30 for this week, just by trade management, cutting all those type of, like the first trade I adjust my stop loss, hit my stop loss, still went to my TP. The second one I cut the loss fast because I saw how price was invalidating my setup, which I can clearly see that this is not going to work. So there's no need of being in the position again, and news too was coming up, which is risky. So let's call it a day for today. I was also looking at gold, but I think I'm done for today, man. I'm done for today. I just want to execute one trade for today. I'll come back tomorrow. If I win tomorrow trade, then I'll be profitable this week. But if I lose tomorrow trade, then I'm down for the week. I'll come back next week.
So guys, today is Friday, the last day of the week, and I just took this sell on gold. This is it. I took the sell and my stop loss is around here. My stop loss is here. I'm making $50 on this trade. Let's see how this trade is going to be. For now, the trade is looking quite decent because price has already gained that momentum and sell to the downside. Let's see if it's going to continue, because this is where my TP is for this trade. If I take a win on this trade, I'm going to end this week profitable. But if I hit stop loss on this trade, that means this is a bad week. Nevertheless, let's see how this trade is going to be. At the end of the day, you can't really tell the outcome of a trade from the start. So let's see. So guys, that trade hit stop loss and this is a trade. I was risking $50, but I don't know how managed. I ended up losing $65. Like, I don't really understand this. there was no news to say something like slippage or thereabout. But at the end of the day, I'm done for this week and I'll come back next week. Overall for this week, I lost $147. Normally, if I'm taking 3 trades, I'm supposed to risk $50 each. Overall, I'm supposed to lose $150. So it's not too bad, even with this thing that happened today. So overall for the week, I'm down $147. Almost close to $50, which I was supposed to lose overall. At the end of the day, the week has ended and I'll come back next week and trade again. If you watched to this point, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. This is the weekly summary for the week. This is a P&L. I lost over $147 for the week and I'm coming back next week to do it again. Last week I was profitable. Last week I made over $227 and this week I lost $147. Part of the game, we learn, repeat and come back stronger. All the lessons for this week, I've taken them to my heart and I've noted them down. Next week when I'm coming back to the chat, I'll apply it and do better. That's the game. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel because I know I'm going to catch you guys next video. This is week 4. We're just starting. We keep on going. Catch you guys. Peace and blessings. No, peace and stay blessed.